welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, let's do a unboxing kasi meron pinadala sa akin ng SKJN COLLAGEN Japan. Ito yung kanilang package. I'm gonna unbox this. So let's go ahead, get it started. But before I do that, syempre you guys know the routine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit mo yung notification bell button so that every time I make an upload like this, you guys are gonna get notified. And like I said, super excited na ako to open this one. Ayan, nag-shake-shake na siya. And medyo pagpasensyahan nyo na ako, medyo pawis ako at parang basa yung aking hair because kakatapos ko lang mag-workout and nagpalit lang ako ng damit kasi syempre para naman medyo mukha tayong tao sa harap ng camera. But then, syempre gusto ko talagang i-unbox to. So even if na parang medyo haggard ako, okay lang yan kasi excited na tayong open to. And let's see what we have in here. So eto siya guys. SKJN Collagen nakalagay dyan. So, let's go ahead. Open this one. I-open ko lang ito na mabilisan guys ha. Hold on. Ayan. Parang pawis na pawis ako. Ayan. Ayan. Go ahead. Open it. Ayan. So, ito yung pinadala nila sa akin. SKJN. Let's go ahead. Open it. Meron silang pinadalang bottle. SKJN my bottle, itong water bottle to guys. So, pwede itong lagyan ng tubig, juice, or anything like that. Thank you so much. And then, ito yung kanilang pinadalang supplement. Let's go ahead, open this one and see what we have in here. See? It's, guys, ito na yung kanyang bottle. And it says here, it's made in Japan. SKJN Collagen. Get that glow. 120 micro tablets. And then, merong Japanese na word. So, the main ingredients na ito, guys, babasahin ko lang quickly. It's sea collagen peptide, pearl koi extract, skin, silk peptide, and CoQ10 enzyme. So, yung kanyang sea collagen peptide, guys, it's 1,000 milligrams. And then, yung pearl koi extract, it's 100 milligrams, and then yung silk peptide is 50 milligrams, and then the coenzyme Q10, it's 20 milligrams. So, ayan na siya guys, turn around ko lang so you guys can actually see it. I'm gonna flash the price na lang guys kasi I'm really not sure kung magkano talaga siya. But that's how it looks like. So, meron silang Facebook page. It's SKJN Collagen. And then, the Instagram also is SKJN Collagen. I'm gonna just flash it. Finally, I am back. Nalobat yung aking phone. And actually, right now, naka-charge siya para mag-film ako. And then, ma-upload ko to later. And then, balik na ulit tayo sa ating topic, guys. Ito yung SKJN Collagen Japan. Ito ay made in Japan. And, meron silang Facebook page and Instagram page, which I will flash it here. And then, basahin natin yung kanyang short description in here. So, what is SKJN? So, ano ba yung SKJN, guys? SKJN is mainly derived from the natural sea extracts with the power of Japanese technology. The most advanced collagen product to date kasi ito ay micro tablets. And then, health benefits, it's for healthy glowing, for skin both inside and out, and then benefits includes healthier skin, nails, connective tissues, cartilage, bones, and joints. So, sobrang ganda na kanyang benefits sa ating katawan, guys. Usage nito, guys, is 4 to 10 tablets per day. Pwede nyo itong inumin all at once, or pwede rin naman pag-separate nyo siya in a couple of hours, so morning, lunch, or dinner, or merienda, basta pag-separate nyo siya. So, you should take 4 to 10 tablets, and then, made in Japan, SKJN Collagen products trading international quality standards. So, pasado to guys sa quality standard. Expiration is December 2023, and then, ayan siya, 30 grams of 120 tablets. Okay, let's go ahead and open it. And ito yung kanyang itsura sa loob. Super liit nung kanyang tablets. Actually, hindi naman super liit, pero super cute talaga na kanyang size. It's micro tablets. Yun talaga yung kanilang claim, which is easy na tulunok, diba? So, if, madali na siyang ilunok na ganyan. And then, let's go ahead and do the smell test. Para nakalimutan ko. Ayan. Wala pala siyang amoy, guys. Wala siyang amoy na malangsa or parang bulok na itlog or something like that. Wala siyang amoy, so that's really good. So guys, super cute ang kanyang packaging, pang Japan talaga. And alam niyo na, collagen is really good for you for the healthy body and skin for hair and nails. So, ito ay pampabata, pampaganda, pampakinis ng ating balat. So, why not try it, guys? Follow their Facebook and their Instagram page at SKJN COLLAGEN. And then, the Facebook is also the same. Instagram is the same. And then, I will flash the information kung magkano yung price na to, guys. Kasi hindi ako really sure kung magkano siya. Pero itatry ko to since it's a collagen supplement. So, why not? Alam niyo naman na very, very big fanatic ako ng mga collagen supplements. So, thank you so much SKJN Collagen Japan for sending this. I actually wanna try it also. And then, meron pa silang water bottle na lalagyanan. So, ilalagay ko aking mga water dito or juice or kung ano mga mailagay ko dito. But then, thank you so much. And, yun na naman guys, sobrang mabilisan lang tong upload ko. Kasi gusto ko lang naman i-feature at pakita sa inyo guys yung mga trending na mga glutathione. And sa next vlog ko guys, i-mention ko yung mga trending at mga usong glutathione. So, you guys can be aware kung ano yung mga bago at uso ngayon. So, let's do that sa next na vlog. So, but for now guys, yun lang muna. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye!